In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink on Mailchimp. If you're using Mailchimp for your email campaigns, it's crucial to know how to effectively use hyperlinks. These can guide your readers to your website, a product page, or anywhere else you'd like them to visit. Today I'll walk you through the process, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. First things first, we need to log into our Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the starting point for all the magic we're about to perform. Next up, we're going to dive into the campaigns section. This is where all your email marketing campaigns live. Click on the campaigns option located towards the top of the screen. This will take you to a page where all your campaigns are listed. Among the campaigns listed, find the one you're looking to embed a hyperlink in and select it. This will take us to the campaigns overview page. Here you'll see various options to customize and edit your campaign. Now we're ready to start designing. Look for the Edit Design option. This is where you'll be able to customize the content of your email. Clicking on this will take you into the design editor of Mailchimp, a place where creativity meets functionality. Inside the design editor, let's focus on the content option. This is where you can add, remove, and edit the text, images, and other elements in your email. Click on Content to expand the available content blocks you can use in your campaign. Here's where it gets fun. You'll notice a variety of content types you can drag and drop into your email. For now, we need the paragraph content block. Drag it into your desired position within your email layout. Once you've placed the paragraph block, it's time to hyperlink. Click into the paragraph block and highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. Look for the link icon in the editor's header. It looks like a little chain link. Clicking on this will open a dialog where you can paste the URL you want to hyperlink to. Go ahead and paste the URL into the designated field. This can be any link you want your readers to be directed to, be it a specific page on your website, a product listing, or anywhere else. After you've pasted your URL, make sure to hit save. It's an easy step to overlook, but skipping it means your hyperlink won't be saved. We've all been there, putting in the effort only to realize we didn't save our changes. Now, I cannot stress enough how important it is to preview your work. Mailchimp offers a preview option for this very reason. Click on preview to see how your email looks in both desktop and mobile formats. This step ensures everything looks just right and that your hyperlink works as intended. While in preview mode, don't hesitate to click on the hyperlink you've just created. This is the best way to ensure that it leads where you expect it to. It's a quick check that can save you from sending out an email with a broken or incorrect link. And there you have it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your Mailchimp campaign. This simple yet effective tool can significantly enhance your email's effectiveness by directing readers exactly where you want them to go. Remember, hyperlinks can significantly impact your campaign's success, whether you're guiding readers to your website, a survey, or a special offer. Using today's walkthrough, you'll be able to enrich your Mailchimp emails with valuable links in no time. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has shed some light on the process and encouraged you to make the most of your Mailchimp campaigns. Happy emailing!